Namaste, beautiful yogis. Here is my beautiful location that I would love to share with you. And I have a channel update and some summer workshop updates for you. The channel upload schedule is going to change to 1 class a week every Wednesday, 12 o'clock Central Time. So we're going from 2 classes a week to 1 class, which is going to be every Wednesday. There's going to be yoga or a HIIT class. And I'm starting a new month of fluid flexibility yoga schedule on my website, alikamenova.com, where we are going to be doing weekly schedules that are all focused on flexibility, fluid flexibility. So some of the classes are going to approach flexibility from the connective tissue standpoint, not just stretching the muscles or the joints, but we're going to think about flexibility on many levels and work on flexibility on my website, which is alikamenova.com. So I'll see you here on YouTube every Wednesday with a new class, and twice a week new classes on my website, plus the schedules with the ongoing classes every single day. All right, the next thing, I'm doing the vegan cruise again. So if you're looking for a summer vacation that is healthy, exciting, lots of yoga, meeting new people, and seeing beautiful places, cruising on the ocean, the sea, then check out vegantravel.com. I'll link it below, place all the links below and all the information, because I'm shooting this kind of from the mountain, so I hope I'm not gonna forget anything. But I wanted to make the announcement because I have 3 things to share with you and I needed to make this announcement today. So I'm going to be at the vegan cruise. I'll be teaching yoga, so if you wanted to attend a workshop with me or do yoga with me, or if you're looking for, I can see in the viewfinder that I burnt a little bit in the sun today. But if you're looking for a vegan cruise or for a cruise or for something exciting this summer, it's starting on July 22nd till August 1st, and it's going to be, I think, 7 countries. It's going from Germany, Litva, Estonia, Russia, Petersburg. Sorry. 2 days there, and after that Finland, Sweden, and back to Germany. So it is going to be fun. I'm starting to get pretty excited about it. The entertainment, the lectures, Dr. Michael Clapper will be there. They are fabulous. Last time I did the cruise was 2 years ago, and I still remember it, and that's why I wanted to do it again. It was an amazing experience, actually. The food is spectacular. I can't even describe how abundant and beautiful, healthy and indulgent the food was. So I tried so many new things and desserts, but also a lot of fruit and even oil-free salad. So it was pretty, whatever type of food you're looking for. If you're looking for a detox, you can do it. If you're looking to just kind of really have fun, indulge, do fancy dining, that was a lot of that there as well. And the third announcement is I finally decided to do a workshop. It was a back and forth deliberation for me. I wasn't sure if I'm going to do a workshop for Sofia. I'm looking for location, and it is going to be the 2nd week of September. I'll post the date below, but it is going also to, I will announce it on my website and on Instagram for sure, and on Facebook and here. But here some people don't get all my videos, so if either hit the notification bell, and also if you don't mind, follow me on Instagram so that we can stay connected. Anyways, I decided to do the workshop in Sofia. It's going to be the 2nd week of September. It is going to be fabulous. We had such beautiful experience. Again, 2 years ago I did a workshop, and I kind of craved the experience of us coming together. So I'll do it again. It will be Friday to Sunday. We'll start late on Friday and we'll finish early on Sunday, so that we can all travel if we travel somewhere, but we'll have enough time together. So I hope to see you here every Wednesday on my website. You're invited if you're not a member, and I'll see you either on the cruise or in Sofia. So the links are all gonna be below, and I'm gonna go. Love you all.